go, folks. Another bicycle. This looks like an old school bicycle. Hang on, baby. I got it by the hook, I guess. That's an old school. Come on, stay on there. Okay, I need you to turn. Ooh-wee. Here we go, up and over. That's an old school bicycle there. Whew. That's beating me up today. Bicycles and heavy rebar. Woo-wee. I get that, baby. Man, we got some air in the front tire. We might be going riding tonight. We might be going riding tonight, baby. Look at that. The old Huffy. The old Huffy. The tires still have either air in them or they're full of oh, there's a creepy crawly. Look at that guy. Here, I'll send you back in there. But what is this? I think it's just a little extra padding. But there we go. We got the old Huffy out of the water today. County Seat Adventures. Cleaning her up, one piece at a time.